Hey guys, Dalton with Jaspertronics here today, and we're going to be swapping out the bulb on this Epson EX9210. This projector is very similar to the Epson 2100 or the Epson 1060, so the bulb changing process is going to be more or less the same. So let's take a look at this and let's get started. Alright guys, the first thing that we're going to do is we're actually going to back out this little screw that's just right here on the side. This is of course the screw that holds the lamp cover in place. Alright, and with that top popped off, you can now see the bulb here. This is just held in with these two screws over here on the left side. Alright, and now that we've got this lamp popped out of here, we can go ahead and set this off to the side and grab our other lamp and get this all ready to go and get this exchanged. Installing the lamps on these Epsons is actually pretty easy. Most of these compartments are actually going to be cut to contour to the lamp, unlike some units that have a big open cavity, kind of like an Optima or something like that. Alright, and there you have it. We've got this lamp all swapped out. Like I said, this is going to be the same process as an Epson 2100 or an Epson 1060. So, once again guys, thank you so much for stopping by, giving this a watch, and I hope you leave a comment if you have any questions, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one guys. Later!